Imagine a massive, ultra-luxury SUV waking itself up the moment it rolls off the assembly line, navigating a complex factory floor without a single human behind the wheel. That is exactly what is happening in the newly released factory testing footage of the AITO new M9, and it completely redefines how vehicles are tested before they ever reach the customer. The entire sequence feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. We see the M9 seamlessly passing through the rigorous inspection line entirely unmanned. The vehicle independently confirms a series of automatic functions, eventually executing a flawless unmanned parking sequence right into a designated factory bay. The system is powered by HUAWEI's MDC computing platform, utilizing incredibly powerful onboard GPUs and AI processors for real-time spatial mapping. It relies on a roof-mounted 192-line high-definition LiDAR, which is paired with 11 high-definition cameras, 3 millimeter wave radars, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. This entire sensor suite feeds data into the HUAWEI ADS system, allowing the car to see the factory floor perfectly. But the absolute highlight of the footage and the ultimate flex of its engineering is the suspension test. They place a glass filled with water right on the hood of the car. As the driverless M9 navigates over the factory's uneven testing surfaces and speed bumps, the water barely ripples. It is a stunning visual proof of just how smooth and stable this massive vehicle actually is. For those looking to get their hands on this rolling supercomputer, the AITO M9 is already making massive waves following its official launch in China.